Alright, so I'm attempting to make a white pie. What could possibly go wrong? So I've got a little marking on there, and to get that, all I did was just hold it up to there and then draw around it. Well shit, it's a fair bit bigger. Oh well, it's alright, I'll just cut the excess off. And there we are. Now I've got to somehow make that fit over there. Okay, so that's there now. Sort of fits. It's gonna be very hard to fucking rod. Especially because I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. Alright, don't judge the welds. I actually don't know how to weld properly. First I'm actually trying to make something, so let's see how it goes.
God that the brothers on the rise now.
I'm out wide. Alright, new roll of wire in. Never used it before, so I can't weld anyway, so
It's so humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on the song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Wanna do the same thing, yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
That's a lot better than I expected to. Right, don't judge the roads. I don't know what to do, but that fits a shit ton better than I thought it would. This side as well. Okay, and the one back out. Good enough. As I said a million times, don't judge the road. I'm just trying for the next one. Help or tips would be much appreciated.
Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Oh shit!
It came out nicely, didn't
That
it?
one actually came out decent. My way of speed is way too much.
What, just flex through it then, I guess?
Shit, that one actually came out. That's probably the best one I've ever done, but it's still shit. Alright, took an angle grinder to it, tried getting it straight. It's not very straight, but oh well, it'll do.